Liz of Beauty. Today we're going to be doing a beautiful festive, like a neutral look today. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. For priming your face, I'm going to be using this NYX Plump Right Back Primer. Just going to put this everywhere on my face, on my eyes, right here. Next, for color correcting, I'm going to be using this hydrating camo concealer from e.l.f. So I'm just going to blend this into my skin. Next, for the foundation, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild's Tinted Hydrator. And before that, I'm going to be using this Health Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I'm just going to put this a little bit on the high points of my face. Just like that. Here. And just up here. I'm just going to spread the foundation with my hands over my face first. And I'm just going to blend this into my skin. For the concealer, I'm going to be using this K-Beauty's concealer. So I'm just going to blend this into my skin seamlessly. It's also kind of like a skin-like finish that's so good. And as you can see, it's not matte, it's actually quite hydrating. There's a lot of hydrating ingredients in this concealer, and that provides this beautiful dewy finish and not matte. So if you have dry under eyes, this is like such a good concealer for you. Now for the blush, I'm going to be using this Dewy Liquid Blush from PAC. I'm just going to put just a little first because this goes a long way too. Just like that, we're just going to blend this into our skin. It's a beautiful dewy blush. I love dewy blushes, so I had to grab this because I've never seen like an Indian brand doing a dewy blush, so I was like so intrigued to try this out. And yeah, this is a beautiful concealer. A lot of people, it's so dewy, I just love it. Also, I'm going to take some more on the nose. Chin as well. Just like that. Now to set my face, I'm going to be using this PAC loose powder. It's in the shade pink. So I'm just going to set my face with this powder. It's a beautiful brightening powder as it is a pink powder. So it brightens the skin and the complexion a lot. So now for bronzing up my face, I'm gonna be using this Contour Before Sugar Bronzer brush. I'm just going to lightly dust this over my face. Just contouring my nose, like I always do. Okay guys, now for our eyes, I'm going to be using this Jaclyn Hill X Morphe eyeshadow palette. And from this palette, I'm going to be taking this lighter shade right here. It's called MFED. And I'm just going to put this all over my eyelids, just like that. I'm just going to do the same on the other eyes as well. This is a beautiful neutral, beautiful everyday crease color. And then I'm going to be taking this shade. It's the shade Cooler. I'm just going to use this for my outer corners only. Just like that. Gonna do the same in my other eyes. Actually, I'm gonna take this same shade, previous shade, MFED, and I'm gonna use that on my lower lash line, just like so. I forgot to do that before, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. With my smaller brush, I'm just gonna take the shade called Cooler, the second shade that I used, and with that, I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line, just on the outer corners. Just like so. Now I'm gonna be taking this shade. It's called Mocha, and I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna put this right on my outer corners, just like that. Into my eyes, just like so, just like that. And I'm just gonna do the same on my other eyes as well. This shade Mocha is a beautiful chocolatey brown color. And I'm just going to take my fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend this into my crease shades a bit. Just like that. Now I'm going to be taking this shade. It's called Chip. And with this, I'm going to put it right close to my lash line. Just on the outer corners, just like so. Just gonna do the same on the other corners as well. Sorry, other eyes. And I'm also gonna take the same darker shade called Chip, and I'm just gonna take this on the lower lash line, but just the outer corners only. Just like that. Okay, so now for the shimmer, I'm going to be using this shade called Obsessed, and I'm going to take this with my hands, and I'm just going to put this right in the center of my eyelids, just like so. Just like that, looks so beautiful. Now what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. glitter eyeshadow. It's in the shade Flirty, Birdy, and I'm just going to take that and put it right on my center of my eyelids, just like so. I'm gonna do the same on the other eyes as well. It looks so pretty and super glittery. I'm gonna do the same on the lower lash line, just like that. Just like that. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. I'm just gonna take some more and put it right here on the center, on right here on my inner corners, just like that. Next, for the eyeliner, I'm gonna be using this NYX Epic liner, and I'm just going to add a beautiful liner. And now I'm also going to extend my inner corners. Just like that, I'm going to do the same on my other eyes. Next, for the brows, I'm going to be using this brow lift from e.l.f. and I'm just going to take some with my spoolie right here and just very little, and I'm just going to brush this through my brows. Just like that. I'm just going to do the same. I'm just going to do the same on the other side as well. Now I'm going to take this shade from Central Park right here, and I'm using this to fill in my brows. So just like that, I'm just going to fill in my brows with this. Now for the powder brush, I'm going to be using this beautiful face duo from e.l.f. It's in the shade Pomegranate. Just going to brush this on my cheeks. Just like that, just a little bit on my nose. Just like that. On my chin a bit. Now for the mascara, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara. Just like that. For the highlighter, I'm going to be using this K-Beauty's highlighter. It's in the shade Frosted Eyes, and I'm just taking some and putting it right on my brow bones, just like so. Just like that. I'm just gonna put some right here on my cheeks. Like that. It's a beautiful color for light to medium skin tones. Even clear is gonna love it. Just like that. Now for the lips, I'm gonna be using this Colourpop lippie pencil. And for the lippie, I'm going to be using this Ink Velvet from Peripera. Just like that. I'm just going to blend it. Now for the lip gloss, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. Now for the last step, I'm going to be using this dewy coconut setting spray from e.l.f. Oh guys, this is the final look. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.